Good morning and welcome to this gentle 10-minute morning pranayama practice. This session is designed to help you wake up softly, energizing your body and mind without force or strain. We'll explore two powerful yet nourishing breathing techniques today: Surya Bhedana Pranayama, right nostril breathing, and Ujjayi breath. These techniques naturally stimulate alertness, clarity, and focus while keeping your body in a relaxed, parasympathetic state. So let's begin by finding a comfortable, upright seat, wherever your spine is comfortable and safe today. You can sit on a cushion, a yoga block, or directly on the floor in a cross-legged position. You can also sit in Vajrasana, sitting on your heels, or you can even sit on a chair with your feet firmly planted onto the earth. Listen to your body and what it needs here today, without judgment. So once you've found that place where you feel stable and grounded, let your hands rest on your knees, palms open to welcome in the freshness of a new day. And finally, gently close your eyes or soften the gaze. From here, take a deep breath in through your nose on 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause at the top. And exhale slowly through your mouth on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do this again at your own pace for a few more rounds, slowly arriving into the body. Feel that crisp morning air moving through you, awakening your senses, preparing you for the day ahead. Now let your breath come back to its natural rhythm. And before we move into our pranayama practice, let's just gently wake up the body, bringing some nourishment to our joints. Starting with the shoulders, rolling them up towards your ears on an inhale and back down, melting down your back on an exhale, releasing any stiffness. Inhale up, exhale back. Switch directions. Inhale up, exhale back. Moving on to the neck, slowly turn your head side to side. Inhale center, exhale turn the head to the right. Inhale center, exhale turn the head to the left. At your own pace. Now interlace your fingers and on an inhale stretch your arms overhead, keeping the shoulders relaxed and away from the ears, reaching toward the sky, greeting the sun, and exhale, release everything back down. Now place your hands on your knees and take a few gentle seated circles. And keep your spine straight and safe. Make sure the movement is coming from the hips, protecting your lumbar spine. Inhale forward, exhale back. Switch directions. Inhale forward, exhale back. And while taking some deep belly breaths, just rotate your wrists. Make sure to go in both directions and shake out the elbows. Okay, so now that we've brought some nourishment to our joints, let's move on to our first pranayama practice, Surya Bhedana Pranayama, right nostril breathing. This practice is known for stimulating the sympathetic nervous system, which naturally increases energy, focus, and warmth in the body. And according to the yogic philosophy, by breathing only through the right nostril, we activate the Pingala Nadi, the energy channel associated with the sun. Surya Veda is particularly beneficial during the colder months, so if it's winter where you are, like it is for me right now, this is an extra juicy benefit. Just a few contraindications before we get into it. Avoid this practice if you have high blood pressure, intense anxiety, heart conditions, or epilepsy, as this practice stimulates the nervous system and increases heat. It's also not recommended if you're feeling quite overheated right now or experiencing fever. And as for any breathing practices, if ever you feel lightheaded during the practice, please take a break or breathe at a slower pace. Don't push. So how to practice? Bring your right hand in Vishnu Mudra, folding your index and middle fingers into your palm, keeping the thumb, ring and pinky fingers extended. And your left hand can remain in Chin Mudra, index and thumb touching, palms facing up on your left knee. Now with your right hand in Vishnu Mudra, use your thumb to close the right nostril and your ring finger to close the left nostril. Make sure to keep your elbow tucked in towards the body. Gently close your left nostril with your ring finger. Inhale deeply through the right nostril, feeling the breath energizing and warming your body. And now close your right nostril with your thumb and release and exhale through the left nostril softly. We'll continue this exact sequence for the next few minutes, only breathing in through the right and only breathing out through the left. To add some extra nourishing visualization to this practice, you can visualize or feel the breath as golden morning light, filling you with warmth sourced directly from the sun. And as you exhale, you can let go of any lingering heaviness from your past night's sleep. So inhale softly through the right on 1, 2, 3, 4. Close right and exhale through the left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close left and inhale through the right on 1, 2, 3, 4. Close right and exhale through the left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue at your own pace, maybe bringing some slight retentions between the inhale and the exhale. Just listen to your body. Now gently release the practice and release your right hand to your right knee, bringing it in Chin Mudra to match the left, and take a deep, juicy breath in through both nostrils on a count of 4. And exhale fully and softly on a count of 8. Notice how you feel. Maybe more awake, steady, clear. Notice anything, no matter how big or small. Okay, so let's move on to our second pranayama practice, Ujjayi breath, often called the ocean breath. This technique creates a soft, soothing sound in the throat, similar to waves rolling in onto the shore. It warms the body, increases oxygen intake and promotes a calm but alert state. Just a few contraindications. Avoid if you have severe respiratory issues such as asthma, as the slight throat constriction may cause discomfort. So how to practice? Slightly constrict the back of your throat as if you're fogging up a window, but while keeping your mouth closed. Inhale deeply through your nose, deep into the belly, feeling the breath expand your ribs. Maybe pause at the top, notice the space, and exhale through your nose, maintaining that soft oceanic sound. Inhale in and exhale out. And continuing with each inhale in to visualize breathing in that warm golden morning sunlight. And with each exhale, release any mental fog, clearing space for the day ahead. So let's practice together for the next few minutes. Breathe in fully but softly, those gentle rays. And exhale very slowly, emptying your body of air while imitating the ocean. Really see yourself be filled with that golden light and let that warmth just melt away any stress, anxiety. Really let yourself feel those soothing sun rays. Even if it's winter and cloudy, you know what it feels like to feel those rays on your skin. So just tap into that memory. Now gently let go of the practice, return to your natural breath. Maybe notice the clarity, warmth, and gentle alertness in your body. And as we close off our practice, let's just take one last deep inhalation through the nose on 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause at the top and notice the space. And as you exhale, imagine breathing out anything you no longer need from your dream state, any tension, any worries. Let it all go. And place your hands over your heart or any other part of the body that might need that extra love this morning. And feel the gentle warmth of the sun through your palms. And take a moment to set an intention for the day or the week ahead. It could be a single word or a simple phrase that supports you. And you can come back to this word or this phrase throughout the day or the week to anchor you back into your breath and into the present moment. And take one last deep inhalation from your belly and exhale slowly, sealing this moment of presence and self-care. And softly blink your eyes open back to this moment, noticing the world around you with fresh awareness and thanking yourself for showing up for yourself this morning. And thank you so much for sharing this morning practice with me. I hope you carry this sense of clarity and ease into your day, regardless of the weather, knowing that the warmth of the sun is never too far away. I post new guided breathwork and meditation videos every single Sunday, so if you'd like to start your week off softly and with intentionality, make sure to subscribe and join me again next week. Wishing you a beautiful, grounded day and week ahead. Bye guys. I really hope you enjoyed this practice, and I've done this very strange, weird installation thing in my room, so let me know if it even looks good, because I'm not convinced. But the effort was there. Bye. Yeah, the noise of my